Hey everyone, it's your old pal David here. You know what I'm loving? That crisp autumn air, those crunchy leaves. Fall is officially here, and you know what that means? It's time to break out those cozy sweaters, sip on some pumpkin spice lattes, don't judge, and dive into some awesome autumn hobbies. And let me tell you folks, I've got 5 hobbies that'll make you want to jump in a pile of leaves and shout, "Fall, you the best!" Get ready to laugh, get inspired, and maybe even shed a tear or two. Just kidding, unless... Hey everyone! As the leaves start to fall and the air gets crisp, it's the perfect time to dive into some fun autumn hobbies. Let's check out the top 5 hobbies you can enjoy this season. First up, we're hitting the trails, baby. Hiking in the fall? Forget about it. It's like walking through a painting, with all those vibrant reds, yellows, and oranges. Seriously, I challenge you to find a more beautiful sight than a forest decked out in its fall finest. Plus, the weather is perfect for it, nice and cool, no more summer swelter. It's like Mother Nature herself is saying, get out there and enjoy this, you beautiful people. And you know what the best part is? You can totally make it your own. Go for a leisurely stroll, crank up the intensity with a challenging climb, or pack a picnic and enjoy a scenic lunch surrounded by nature's glory. Just don't forget your camera, because those fall foliage photos are going to be Instagram-worthy for sure. Oh, and one more thing. Hiking is not just good for the soul, it's good for the body too. You'll be burning calories, strengthening those muscles, and getting some fresh air. It's a win-win-win. So grab your hiking buddy, pick a trail, and get ready to experience the magic of fall. Next up, we're heading to the orchard for some apple picking action. Now I know what you're thinking. David, apple picking? That's so wholesome. And you know what? You're right. But that's what makes it so great. There's something so satisfying about plucking a ripe apple straight from the tree. It's like you're connecting with nature on a primal level, you know? Plus, you can't beat the taste of a fresh-picked apple. It's like biting into a little slice of autumn heaven. And don't even get me started on all the delicious things you can make with those apples. We're talking apple pies, apple crisps, apple cider donuts. The possibilities are endless. Just imagine the aroma of cinnamon and apples filling your kitchen. It's enough to make you want to dance a jig. So grab your family, your friends, or even your neighbor's dog, just kidding, or am I, and head to your nearest orchard for a day of apple-picking fun. Alright folks, it's time to get our hands dirty and unleash our creativity with some pumpkin carving. Now I'm not gonna lie, my pumpkin carving skills are more abstract art than masterpiece, but hey, that's half the fun, right? Whether you're going for a classic jack-o'-lantern, a spooky ghoul, or even a portrait of your favorite celebrity, I'm thinking The Rock would look pretty good on a pumpkin, don't you? Pumpkin carving is a great way to get into the Halloween spirit. Plus, it's a fun activity for the whole family. Just imagine the laughter and the friendly competition as you all try to outdo each other with your carving skills. And hey, if your pumpkin doesn't turn out exactly as planned, you can always blame it on the dog. Just kidding. Maybe. So grab your carving tools, scoop out those pumpkin guts, and save them for roasting because pumpkin seeds are delicious, and let your imagination run wild. Alright folks, it's time to turn up the heat and fill our kitchens with the irresistible aromas of autumn baking. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm more of a takeout menu reader than a master baker, but there's something about the smells of cinnamon, nutmeg, and pumpkin spice that just makes me want to put on an apron and get my hands dirty, with flour of course. And let's be real, is there anything more comforting than a warm slice of apple pie or a gooey cinnamon roll on a chilly autumn day? I think not. Plus, baking is a great way to show your loved ones how much you care. Who wouldn't be happy to receive a homemade pumpkin bread or a batch of chewy oatmeal raisin cookies? It's like a warm hug in edible form. So, grab your mixing bowls, preheat those ovens, and get ready to bake up some autumn magic. Last but not least, we're snuggling up with a good book and embracing the cozy vibes of autumn reading. Now, I'm a busy guy, always running around, but there's something about those chilly evenings that just makes me want to curl up on the couch with a warm blanket, a cup of tea, and a captivating book. Whether you're into mysteries, thrillers, romances, or biographies, there's a book out there just waiting to transport you to another world. And let's be real. Is there anything better than losing yourself in a good story? It's like a mini vacation for your mind. Plus, reading is good for you. It expands your vocabulary, improves your memory, and reduces stress. It's like a workout for your brain, but way more fun. So dim the lights, light some candles, and get ready to escape into a world of literary wonder. There you have it, folks. 5 fantastic hobbies to make the most of your autumn. Whether you're hiking through a colorful forest, baking up a storm in the kitchen, or simply curling up with a good book, there's something for everyone to enjoy this season. So get out there and soak up all the autumn goodness. And hey, while you're at it, why not share your favorite autumn activities in the comments below? I'd love to hear what you're up to. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay cozy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.